So today I'm with my friend Charlotte.
Hi.
I'm really sorry I haven't uploaded. It's been like 2 weeks in a row I haven't uploaded. I've been really busy with school, I've had my mocks and I've been revising. I just haven't found the time to upload or edit or anything. So I'm really sorry about that. So in order for me to give you guys something back, I guess, to forgive me, I'm going to film a part 2 to my most viewed video, which is the yoga challenge. So I hope you forgive me, love you. I'm sorry, it won't happen again. This is the first one. Are you?
I'm scared.
Message. Come closer. And now we've got to go down more.
I can't! My arm.
Arch your back. Arch your back.
Right. I don't know how to.
Arch it.
I don't know how to.
Make that. Right, so bend over.
Yeah.
And now arch your back. Stick your bum out.
Yeah.
Stick it out.
I am! I don't have a bum!
If you're doing this, you've got to do that. Alright? Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Come closer.
Yeah, but then. How?
I think we're doing it.
Okay.
Alright. That'll do. Shows us how flexible we are.
I'm worse than you. I can't even arch my back.
This is the next one. I actually think I know how to do this. I'm gonna be that person.
What is
So I'm gonna do this, and now
Wait, and I have to sit
put your legs on my legs.
Your legs are too long!
Now put your arms forwards. No, you've got to touch my arms. Wait, we have to move more this way.
Sorry.
We're doing it. Look how flexible.
What is
we
this?
are.
Your legs are too long!
What am I
They're
doing?
too small.
Let's just pose for a thumbnail. It's a great position, that one. This is the next one. Who's gonna be the top?
I don't know.
You can go on the top
yeah,
because
sure.
you're smaller. I think I've got to...
What if I fall down the stairs? Wait, what? I have to go. I don't want to lean on you, I feel bad.
Just do it, Charlotte. It's okay. Is my back bony?
Yeah. Am I really heavy?
No. Just lean forward. Just put your arms like what? No, you've got to pretend that you're sleeping.
I'm asleep, I'm asleep.
This is so sensual. Right, get off.
I'm sorry.
So, should I go on the bottom again?
If you want.
Oh god, my core muscles aren't very good. See, get down. Now put your legs on my back.
Oh my god. I can't.
That's it. And the other one.
I can't.
Do it, Charlotte. Okay, and now put your hands on my legs. Put your hands on my legs. Charlotte!
I'm trying! I'm gonna fall!
Ready? Are you ready? And the next one?
I'm gonna fall!
Just try. Quick.
I can't get out!
Come on, Charlotte. Ready?
Yep. I'm gonna fall!
Are you ready?
Yep.
Quick.
Oh, no.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
I couldn't get my second arm off the floor.
She's on my head. Oh, wait, the dogs aren't meant to do yoga.
Right, you just go up first and then I'll have. Oh my god!
Oh.
Pay me like one of your French girls.
Right, so I think we're gonna leave that one. We tried, we got it as good as we was gonna get it. Right, so this is the next one.
Oh, I'm scared.
Put your legs onto my...
I can't. I don't want to hurt you.
It's alright.
I can't get my head down. I can't.
Alright, let's just... This is the closest as we're gonna get to it.
I'm so scared.
This is the next one. I don't think this one's gonna be that hard actually.
Yeah, just position it.
Alright. Ready guys? You ready?
Look at that bum.
Alright, do you want to be the baby?
Okay.
Just sit on my stomach. Just put your legs either side.
Have a little seat.
That'll do. This is the last one. This is the big one. I don't know if we're going to be able to do this. Her face. We're going to try though.
We
We'll
will.
set ourselves a challenge. Just give me your hands. Lean back.
My arms are too small.
Bend your knees, bend your knees. Bend your knees.
How am I gonna do it?
Just lean back. The way I slither on the floor. Ready?
Yeah.
Do you know what, Charlotte? I think that was pretty close.
That was good. I just went up.
We did it, Charlotte! High five me. Oh. I'm actually sweating. Like, that was actually a workout. Like, oh my gosh. I feel like me and Charlotte have bonded a lot since then.
Yeah.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below your thoughts. If you don't know me, I upload every Friday and I will do from now on. Charlotte also has a channel. We'll be doing a collab, so we'll also be doing a video on her channel. We're not sure what it is yet, but I'll leave the links to that below when she puts it up, and vice versa. I'll also put her channel in the links below, so make sure you go and check her out. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did and laughed as much as we did, and yeah, return to me as inspiration very soon. Love you lots. Bye!